Here's a drink that should honestly probably be on Mythbusters because it's a soda, yet it has carrot juice in it. That doesn't seem to check out to me, but we're gonna try it and see if it's any good. You can find it in the Fallout cookbook. This is Vim Quartz. Here's what we need: basil, lime, ginger beer, apple juice, and then the carrot juice. We will start by making our apple juice and our carrot juice. But after we have those two juices, we'll get some basil and muddle it up, or whatever verb that is. Then add in some lime juice, apple juice, carrot juice, and top it off with our ginger beer. I don't know why, but I feel upset that this is actually good. Like, I taste the ginger beer and some of the apple, so it's got a sweetness to it. But then, I mean, it does taste refreshing, and I'm surprised by that. But, you know, hey, it's good. So 8 out of 10.